Welcome to Study Loop.
The recognizing of the predator warning calls of other bird species is possible only when we observe them keenly for a longer period of time. But one person can be at one place at a one time only. For this, plan of observing the birds by biologists for 1 month wouldn't work. This is because the feeder have been established in forest area at a wider scale. Even the use of audio recorder would not serve the purpose. Hence, option A, B, and D are incorrect, while the correct option is option C. The use of video recorder would improve and would provide the beneficial, but it is essential to compare the behaviors of different bird species. Therefore, recording from the video camera for comparing the behavior of other birds is highly important. Option C is the correct answer.